Whether you call him Michael Jordan, Air Jordan, MJ, or his earnest, one thing is for certain: his extravagant lifestyle is as storied as his basketball career. This former NBA superstar has a net worth of over $2 billion as a result of his lucrative business enterprises, legendary sponsorships, and success on the court. So have a seat, Luxies, as we take an inside peek at Michael Jordan's lavish lifestyle and reveal his wealth, houses, vehicle collection, and much more. Welcome to Luxury of the Day, inspiring you to unlock your billionaire potential. In today's video, we'll go into Michael Jordan's opulent lifestyle and explore the astounding wealth and opulent possessions that have helped him become one of the wealthiest athletes in history. But before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button and enable the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any of our upcoming premium content. Let's begin with a quick rundown of Michael Jordan's formative years and professional journey. Jordan's family relocated to Wilmington, North Carolina after he was born on February 17, 1963 in Brooklyn, New York. It was there that he fell in love with basketball. Prior to being selected by the Chicago Bulls in the 1984 NBA draft, he continued to play for the University of North Carolina. In addition to many other honors, Michael Jordan won 5 MVP awards, 6 NBA Finals MVP titles, and 6 NBA championships during his storied career. Off the court, his groundbreaking commercial partnerships and sponsorship arrangements have skyrocketed his income. Personal life. Michael Jordan is just as compelling off the court as he is on it when it comes to his personal life. Jordan and Juanita Vanoy had 2 kids, Marcus and Jeffrey, after their 1989 marriage. The pair initially filed for divorce in 2002, but they later got back together before suing again for divorce in 2006. One of the most costly celebrity divorces at the time involved Juanita, who reportedly obtained a $168 million settlement. But Michael's love story wasn't over yet. 2011 saw him pop the question to his gorgeous model girlfriend Yvette Prieto, who was Cuban-American. Following their lavish wedding in 2013, the couple brought identical twin daughters, Victoria and Isabella, into the world. In 2019, when his daughter Jasmine gave birth to a son, Michael Jordan became a proud grandfather in addition to his roles as a loving husband and father. Rakeem Christmas, a professional basketball player, is a father of Jordan's grandson. Being able to observe the close-knit family ties and basketball prowess left behind is quite touching. Michael Jordan's personal life shows his tenacity and dedication to his family through the highs and lows, demonstrating that despite enormous money and celebrity, what counts most are the people we have by our side and the love we have for them. Net worth. Before we get to the main event, let's take a moment to marvel at Michael Jordan's incredible net worth, which, as of 2023, is at an astounding $2.2 billion. This astounding sum displays not just his tremendous business savvy and financial aptitude, but also solidifies his status as the first billionaire NBA player in history. His enormous wealth has been accumulated through a diverse range of business endeavors, his great basketball career, and lucrative endorsement deals with household names like Nike and Gatorade. In fact, Jordan's long-standing association with Nike generates an astounding $130 million per year, making it a goldmine in and of itself. Mansions. Even more impressive than his illustrious career and staggering wealth is Michael Jordan's collection of luxurious homes. His primary property is a staggering 26,000 square foot estate that radiates wealth and grandeur, and it is located in the famous Jupiter, Florida. Jordan spent an additional $7.6 million to turn this fantasy property, bought in 2011 for a cool $4.8 million, into an opulent retreat. With 11 large bedrooms, a state-of-the-art home theater, and a lavish outdoor pool, this magnificent residence exemplifies a great athlete's dedication to living life to the fullest. But the grandeur doesn't stop there. Beyond Florida, Jordan's real estate holdings also include a tranquil $3 million lake house in Charlotte, North Carolina, a chic residence in Salt Lake City, Utah, and a commanding mansion in Highland Park. Jordan's immaculate taste and the unwavering pursuit of the best things in life are reflected in each home. From coast to coast, these magnificent homes serve as a representation of Michael Jordan's outstanding accomplishments and his propensity for living the most opulent lifestyle imaginable. We can't help but be enthralled by the allure and grandeur that characterize the world of Air Jordan as we tour these opulent residences. Car collection. Jordan's collection of luxury vehicles, which includes some of the most sought-after models in the world, is a striking illustration of his passion for high-end vehicles. Let's get a closer look at these gorgeous cars and their staggering prices. The classy Aston Martin DB7 Volante, which costs a cool $120,000, comes first. The powerful Mercedes-Benz CL65 costs a whopping $200,000 and is the next vehicle on the list. The Porsche 911, a timeless classic with a price tag of about $100,000, comes in next. A versatile Range Rover is a must-have for any luxury car collection, and Jordan's is an amazing $90,000. But wait, there's more. Jordan's garage is home to the stunning Ferrari 512 TR, which is valued at $250,000. The Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren 722 Edition, a very uncommon vehicle with an astounding price tag of $1.45 million, is a pièce de résistance. Given his tremendous collection of high-end vehicles, it's no surprise that Michael Jordan's name is associated with the height of extravagance and wealth. Private jet. Michael Jordan's customized private plane is a symbol of luxury and elegance in disguise. The ingenious design of his 2005 Gulfstream G550 with a registration number N236MJ pays homage to his illustrious basketball career. The N23 stands for his famous jersey number, the 6 stands for his 6 NBA championship rings, and the initials MJ signify him. This majestic plane serves as both a means of transportation and a reminder of Jordan's extraordinary legacy. The Gulfstream G550 is well known for its spacious cabin, extended range, and powerful performance. Jordan has spent a lot of money customizing his jet, including a gourmet bar, cigar station, and cutting-edge entertainment system for an incredibly opulent journey. His Nike Air Jordan footwear served as inspiration for the elephant print design on the outside, and the classic Air Jordan Jumping Man insignia is boldly displayed on the tail. Michael Jordan is guaranteed to fly in the utmost comfort and style thanks to his aerial hideaway, which embodies the pinnacle of luxury living. Charity works. Of course, Jordan is committed to giving back, so his fortune isn't just about acquiring fancy goods. Over the years, he has donated millions of dollars to a variety of charitable causes, including those that support healthcare, education, and disaster relief. His $10 million investment in the construction of medical clinics in underprivileged areas of North Carolina, his $2 million donation to improve community police relations, and his $5 million gift to the National Museum of African American History and Culture are a few noteworthy instances. It is clear that Michael Jordan's generosity extends beyond the court. And there you have it, Luxies. A captivating glimpse into the luxurious world of Michael Jordan. From his impressive net worth to his stunning mansions, jaw-dropping car collection, and private jet, it's no wonder this legendary athlete continues to be a symbol of success, wealth, and luxury. We hope you enjoyed exploring the opulent life of Michael Jordan with us today. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our future luxury content. Also, be sure to like, share, and leave a comment letting us know which aspect of Jordan's luxurious lifestyle impressed you the most. Until next time, stay fabulous, Luxies!